Hello, here is Dinar and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and the Sky World community development over the past weeks. In this release, EcoTechnoPark hosted a tour for school children. USky has started the final stage of installation of a semi-rigid track over 2 kilometers long. USky Solutions provoked an interest of Malaysia transport company representatives. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. School children from Rogachev District Technical School visited the R&D Center of Unitsky String Technologies in Marina Gorga. The guests were introduced to the USky transport and infrastructure complexes and other green technologies of the EcoTechnoPark. The pupils were able to see for themselves the comfort of the Unimobiles and learn that USky transport and infrastructure complexes can not only relieve traffic congestion but also connect separated parts of the city. At the USky Testing and Certification Center in Sharjah, the implementation of a transport flyover with a semi-rigid track structure continues. The line is more than 2 kilometers long and will allow for freight and passenger transportation at speeds of up to 150 kilometers per hour. The construction works have now been completed and the final stage of the track installation has begun. Once installation is complete, the commissioning of individual systems and the entire complex begins. Subsequently, the 25-seater Unibus U4-21201, the latest development by Unitsky String Technologies, will be tested on the line. Following the results of the Mobility Live ME 2023 exhibition, delegates from Malaysia visited the USky Center. An executive consultant and the financial controller of a large Malaysian group of companies came to the center's headquarters to learn about USky solutions. A sightseeing tour was held for the guests of the USky Center, during which technical specialists introduced the visitors to the operation of safety systems and presented models of USky passenger transport. That were the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you later.